Welcome to our video on setting up Facebook auto posting. In this video, we'll cover how to locate the iHouseweb social suite, how to connect a Facebook account for auto posting, how to select the business page where the listings will be posted, and some brief troubleshooting. You will need a Facebook business page as Facebook only allows auto posting to business Facebook pages. We'll put a link down in the description from Facebook on how to create a page for your business. If you're all set from there, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your admin menu. From the homepage of your website, scroll to the bottom of the website. Down in the footer, you'll see the link for admin menu. Click admin menu found here. Log in with your iHouseweb admin email and admin password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your admin menu dashboard. Look in the left-hand side menu and find integrations. Click on integrations to show the items below it. Under integration, you'll see social suite. Go ahead and click here. Once you have the social suite pulled up, you'll see the option to log in with your Facebook account, found here. Go ahead and click Login. Type in your Facebook email and Facebook password, and then press Login. It will ask you if you want to continue as your Facebook account. Go ahead and press Continue. From here, you'll need to select your business Facebook page where the post will go. Go ahead and select your business Facebook page and press Continue. Grant the necessary permissions needed. The default permissions will work, so no action is needed. You can press Save. Once your Facebook account is linked, you'll see your Facebook profile here. This is not where the auto poster will post to. This is just showing the account that manages your business Facebook page, and we'll cover that in just a moment. Scrolling down a little bit, you'll see the option for Post My New Listings to Facebook and Post My New Blog Post to Facebook. Go ahead and check on Post My New Listings to Facebook. You can include an optional message to be included with each auto post, but it's not required. Down below, go ahead and select your business Facebook page that you'll like the listings to go to. Once that's selected, go ahead and press Save. Going forward, any new listings that enter your listing manager, found here, will be posted automatically to your Facebook business page. Doing some troubleshooting, if you go to the social suite in your admin menu and you do not see the login button, there may be some overlap between Facebook's interface and iHouseweb. To fix this, navigate to your Facebook account and press Log Out. You can then return to social suite or refresh the page. The login button should now appear for you as expected. After that, you should be able to proceed as normal as outlined in the earlier steps. And that concludes our tutorial on setting up the Facebook auto poster. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.